So how to add admin or user? First you have to go to the setting page, press this, and after that press this. So you can see over here user, press on it. So you can see add user, so you press. So this is under admin, so if you would like to put in your name, remember that this is the language. So now it's Chinese, you change, you press 1 is English, now is the numbers. So imagine for example I put A for this, you press OK, they will ask you to press OK again. Then these are the methods you can use to register. So if I press the finger, so this is the fingerprint. So that's 1, 2 and 3. So they will show enroll success. So for the card, you can press this and they'll ask you to enroll a card. You can use something like this, which is a sticker. Place it near. And you can see enroll success. So if you like to put based on password, you can press and you can enter the password. So re-enter the password and press OK, it will show enroll success. So for the hand, just have to press it here, then I will move further away, put my palm out. So as you can see, the line is slowly registering the hand. This process may take a while. As you can see, the line is moving. So this is the distance between my hand. So you can see all is registered. As for the face, it's a similar method as the hand. So that's all on how you can add a user or admin. So if you like to press again, it's the same.